So before we go into break, what I want to tell you is that we are not really going through all of chapter 8. I listed it all because I want you to read it, get whatever you can out of it in terms of what you are expected to know, what you have to study for the exam. Rely on the homework assignment. What I am going to assign as a reading assignment really soon, probably tonight, due next Tuesday. And what I'm going to assign to you as a problem set, not overly long, probably 30 or 40 points. That's going to be due probably next Thursday. That'll give you guidance on what you kind of need to know out of here. And what I can tell you now is this will mostly get skipped. We are going to mention some aspect of this. Most of what you need to know will be here, 8.1, and here, 8.2. And we will mention electron spin. We kind of need to, but I actually want you to do something more fun with the angular momentum, kind of in preparation for particle physics that's coming up. And that will be a lab activity. So anyways, so we are going to spend most of our remaining time with the section 8.1 and 8.2. And in terms of what do you need to know, look at the assignments that will get assigned. That's what I can expect you to know, especially for the exams. But do read through it, but anything that's not on the homework, don't worry about it.